angles to the left, and you finish backing in. The nose of your car, you want to tuck it in here. In the park, engage parking brake. Signal. And I'm going to go and do the forward parking. So the trick to forward parking here, especially if it's between two cars, I'll show you in a minute here, but I'm going to go with the middle sign, the sign in the middle. Swing it out to the curb, all the way out to the curb, like that, before you turn in. That way you have enough space for your turning radius.
My forward parking bad?
No, it's good. But the problem is here, if you had two cars on each side of you, trying to get into that space, you wouldn't have been able to. Watch, I'll show you. You wouldn't have been able to because you didn't move the car far enough to the left. Watch. Okay. So I'm gonna try to park right between these two cars over here without swinging out to the left. So you just swing out maybe about this much. Now watch. Makes it much more difficult, right? So what you need to do is you got to swing it out to the left. Watch. Far to the left. Signal. Come at your space in as straight a line as possible. That way you can get in. There. Engage parking brake. I know you have a lot of questions, but we had 10 hours. I can't answer all your questions, right, in the last 30 minutes. So if you have any more questions, Mia, you need to go online. You need to go and look all of that stuff up again. You need to review all the theory and make sure that you understand what you're doing, because if you don't, you won't pass. You won't. If the traffic lights especially, you need to nail that. You need to nail that. So now if the light is green, you want to make a left turn, okay? There's oncoming traffic. They have a green light. So the light's green. You don't stop at the line, you stop inside the intersection. If the light turns yellow, you proceed with caution. You complete your left turn. When you take control of the intersection like that, everyone else around you understands that you need to complete your left turn. You need to clear that intersection.
So you're telling me to go on the yellow?
Yep. Absolutely. But the issue there was that you were too far back. You didn't take control of the intersection.
I didn't feel comfortable going on the yellow.
Oh well, if you don't feel comfortable enough, you got to get out there. You got to get out there.
I've been driving a lot, like actually.
Okay. All right. So let's take off.